Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart Mazda CX-3 Easy Guide. Pop the hood, locate the battery or access point, park the donor car close with engines off, set parking brakes, attach red clamp to positive battery terminal and red clamp to donor positive, attach black clamp to donor negative and black clamp to a grounded metal point on the Mazda. Start the donor, wait 30 seconds, then start the Mazda. Before you begin, always prioritize safety and take your time. This helps avoid damage and injury. Keep a clean workspace, remove loose metal items, and position both cars so they cannot move. Check battery for cracks or leaks. If present, do not attempt a jump start and call for help. Use insulated clamps and cable covers if available, and confirm polarity twice before making any connections to prevent costly mistakes. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation. The Owala water bottle is great for staying hydrated while you work on your car because it seals tight and won't spill in the passenger seat. I've linked it and other deals in the description so you can check them out easily. Now let's get back to the video. Follow a clear order when connecting cables to avoid sparks and damage. Positive to positive, then negative to ground. Keep cables clear of belts and moving parts and maintain steady pressure on clamps for a firm connection. After the donor runs for a short time, try starting the Mazda while someone watches cable stability. If the Mazda doesn't start after a minute, remove clamps in reverse order and consider a battery replacement or professional help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.